CreateX is like a creative, but also like a fostering environment. They give you the resources to help you start your business, make your idea become a reality. We began baking probably 7 or 8 years ago. So this was kind of a continuation of something that we actually both talked about almost every day. And so last year, as we saw the thing come out for CreateX, we were like, we have to do this. This is a perfect opportunity for us to jump into something that we have been doing previously, but refine our skills and learn a little bit more about what entrepreneurship means. It's a lot. It's definitely hard to balance school and running a business, but it's totally worth it because I feel like you can't get this experience from any other job, any other career. If you really are passionate about, what you're trying to do and what you're trying to start up, then you'll look back and think it was definitely worth the time that I put into that.